interrupted with the Direct3D9 Debug Library DLL blocking Microsoft DirectX workflow. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. I've analyzed the conflict and I'm ready to show you the safest fix. Before we begin the manual steps for Direct3D9 Debug Library, check the description for a tool to help maintain a clean system environment. This is the Direct3D9 Debug Library, the debug version of the Direct3D9 runtime. It is used by developers to monitor graphics pipeline errors and resource leaks during application testing. If a consumer game or app reports this file as missing, it usually means the software was shipped in a debug configuration by mistake. Users can often resolve this by installing the DirectX SDK or redistributing the retail d3d9 DLL. Now that the technicals are covered, let's run the official installer. This error suggests a failure in the underlying Windows architecture. Open Command Prompt with administrator privileges and execute sfc/scan now to restore core system components, including the missing Direct3D9 Debug Library DLL. If you are still encountering the error after following the official setup, it's time to investigate the underlying system architecture. Performing a restart can determine if the error is just a transient environment glitch. A reboot refreshes your system's path variables and can sometimes re-establish a broken link to the Direct3D9 Debug Library file. Bookmark this video or click the like button now so that you have a shortcut back to this guide after your PC finishes restarting. Restart unsuccessful? No problem. Let's jump straight into step 3. Remember to pause the video if you need to double-check your inputs. If the reboot failed to restore the graphics library, we need to manually install the legacy components. Download the DirectX end-user runtime, June 2010, from the official Microsoft site. Modern Windows versions often lack these specific files by default, and this installer is the only way to restore the d3dx, Xinput, and Xaudio stacks. Why are we doing this? Well, these legacy libraries are not part of the standard DirectX 12 package. This installer places the exact missing binaries into your system folders to resolve the launch error. Beyond the repair, maintaining a secure workstation requires avoiding a few common technical mistakes. Keep in mind that Direct3D9 Debug Library DLL must be properly synchronized with the Windows registry. Simply dragging and dropping a file rarely addresses the root cause of the initialization failure. To help keep your environment stable and prevent recurring errors, consider an automated maintenance utility for your system. If library alerts are present, the system resource below offers informational guidance on managing Direct3D9 Debug Library dependencies. To keep your workstation running with a reliable configuration and ensure Direct3D9 Debug Library remains stable, subscribe to our channel and like this video.